So before joining into the session, I would like to give a short two-line about the slider, about the session. So I want to make sure the sessions that we are handling today that covers the hidden benefits. There are multiple benefits that are available on the basis of Autodesk subscription model. So everyone aware about the subscription model. We'll discuss what is subscription model and what are the benefits about it. I'm sure when we leave across this session, you'll be very much happy that you have attended that session, and some key highlights that you would have or will be taking across post this session. I'm sure that will be happening with this session's slides. So, a safe harbor statement. Before running into the session, I would like to spend few seconds on the safe harbor statement. The statement that have been shared across the presentation are purely based on the content that are available in the portal of Autodesk, and we prefer that these sessions are not intended to force you to purchase, but only to share you what is the knowledge, what are the knowledges that we could actually give you by the basis of AutoCAD and the subscription model that is in Autodesk. So the next slide is about the TD Synnex business units. The business units of Tech Data or TD Synnex are completely based on major benefits, and who we are is what we are. I'm going to share it across. We are the global aggregators for IT products. We are placed across the globe in various top end places such as America, Europe, APJ, in APJ across like India, Vietnam, Singapore, Malaysia, Hong Kong. So all these are the places that we are very much strong in the distribution of IT products. So our key benefits, or what is that TD Synnex will actually give you on an overall. TD Synnex is more separately, or we can say it is more intended to give more concern about the IT distribution. So we are ranked 64 in list of 100 companies, and major benefit which we had in the financial year of 2022 was a turnover of around 63 billion as an annual sales revenue. And most importantly, there are also multiple products that we are handling. More specifically, we have classified, or we can say we have distributed, segregated the products in various sub classifications that moves under into IT platform of skilled set complementary products with our portfolio vendors, and also which could enable our partners to a next level. So here, when we speak about the complementary products are such as Autodesk. Across APAC, we are handling all the product of Autodesk, not only like one particular product. We are the bigger market shareholders for the Autodesk business in APAC. And also we are handling more specific products such as in terms of specific storages, security, whichever you had handle in your regular day-to-day activities. Yes, we are more specialized on that products too. So what is DATech? DATech, you are aware of Tech Data. DATech is a place where it is a specific business unit for designing software solution and also services. So we are the global business product specific for the specialization of designing distribution of designing softwares and solutions across various regions. Our mission is to support and also have the enablement to our customers, that is most preferably you guys, to be more successful, to increase their business, to increase their productivity, and also to stimulate their efficiency on the designing process. We innovate, evolve, and deliver our portfolios in various added services in a continuous manner. So this is all about TD Synnex and Tech Data. Now into our agenda for the particular session. What is the agenda for the session? We'll be looking into admin control, and subscription benefits, how you can actually get more in detail about Autodesk subscription, the benefits of it, managing the users, and last we do have Q&A. We prefer that the questions that are arising inside you, or you might request, or you might feel that these questions are more important for you. We believe that the questions that are being coming from your side are also more important. Please don't hesitate to ask any questions that are coming up. You can share your questions in the chat box, and also you can share your questions in the Q&A tabs. We'll be addressing all your questions in the end of these slides. So before going into this particular product, I want a reply from you all. We can just make this as an interactive session instead of just speaking one side. So I would love to hear from your side. Are you are aware that you are using term-based licenses? If yes, reply yes in the chat boxes. Yes, what kind of licenses you do access right now? What is the type of access of what is the type of license you are having? You are aware that there is no more perpetual, there is only term based licenses. Yes, you can also raise your hands. uh, I'll be happy to see that. Yes, no, you should answer that question. Yes, thank you for your participation. So why am I more concerned about asking this particular question is that we want to share you before going to the topic of benefits of subscription. There are some changes that have been made by Autodesk, and what has changed in this current year. Not in this particular year, what has been changed from the path of or the track of Autodesk licenses. So Autodesk is no more having any serial number based activation. They are having only user based activation, SSO, single sign on activation method. So if you are having any licenses, if you are purchasing or you are purchasing already from the year of 2019, you can find you will be entering only your email ID, which is more specific for one particular user, one particular system, one active. So you are accessing your system using your email ID. So that is single user sign on licenses. So there is no more additional serial numbers required to activate your license. The benefit is that you are having multiple benefits. We are just going to look in detail about all that in the upcoming slides. So we want to explain that in detail right now, starting with what has changed and the admin control. Since we have moved from the terminology of serial number activation, earlier we used a floppy disk kind of software installation, where we can find a particular software has been activated using a floppy disk by the year of 1995 or older. Then the transaction came to CDs, then the transaction came to smart drives, and now it is more of cloud. So when we speak of cloud activation, there must be some control for the licenses. It is not like everyone who is having the access of the licenses, or whoever accessing the email IDs can access the licenses. Not like that. Instead, there is a specific user or a specific person who can control over your licenses. So you are more important that you are the admin for your licenses. What is the administrator, or who is the administrator? Administrator is a person who has control over the licenses, the particular mail ID who that has been utilized to that has been used to activate your licenses, or that has a control to assign a particular usage particular license to a particular user, or in other words, it is also having overall control for your entire license to extract a report like the usage of the report, the seat usage of the report, and multiple report process that we'll be discussing in detail, that are all available only for the control of administrator. So if you are a part of administrator, you can log in into the customer portal. Yes, you have different portals. One is for the administrator and the other is for the user. So there are bigger differences. We'll also discuss in detail. What if the administrator will have the control over the licenses, and what are all the data that are not being controlled by the users? Starting with the administrator and how to get access for the account. uh, Whoever purchasing the licenses, or your account will be automatically created by the Autodesk. And if you feel like you have to assign particular license to an end user, we suggest this particular portal, that is manage.autodesk.com or accounts.autodesk.com, where you can log in using your registered email ID and a specific password that is being created only by you. So the mail ID and the password is more restricted. Even the Autodesk team, or even the support team from Autodesk, they don't have access for your account unless you provide the credentials by through the remote. So it is very much secure. Your licenses, your drives, your accounts are being very much secure only using your email ID and your password. So how do you access your licenses? You can access your licenses through this when you just log into accounts.autodesk.com. This is the portal that you'll be getting in, like create an account or sign in. So normally, when you purchase a account from the Autodesk, you'll be getting a email mentioning the license number or the contract number, the the start date of the licenses, what type of licenses you have purchased, and what are the subscription add-ins that you'll be getting on all these items in a single email. So post getting this particular email, you can just run through, and there will be a small link that has been provided to activate your account, sign in. So when you just click on to sign in link there, it takes you directly to a homepage. You'll be asked to enter your name and your password. So your first name, last name, your correct email ID, and a password which has been created by you. So that helps you to create an account or a link that verifies your two-step authentication for your email ID, so that your account is very much secure. Now, what does this subscription actually gives you? The subscription is more important, where you can find these major tasks, starting with your technical support, up-to-date software, flexible term length of your licenses, and also your administrative tools. So what is the technical support? Technical support is a kind of activity not only to get support for installation, or just getting an update from your update of your software. Not only to that, there are n number of support details that are available. Say for example, Autodesk is providing around thousands of APIs or applications as a part of the licenses in Autodesk or AutoCAD specialized toolset. There are thousands of applications. So when you just log into any one of the application and you get added to your licenses, you're facing any issues or you need some technical assistance, you can always reach out to the Autodesk support team. So it helps you to validate your system, to get you more productivity on your working of your designing styles. And most importantly, as a part of Autodesk team, yes, they are helping you in a bigger method, on a greater visibility, to make sure your scenarios of accessing the license are very much smooth and very much easy. Up-to-date software that represents the advantage. So this is one of the only one of the bigger software, or best software we can say, where you'll be getting the advantage of accessing not only the new version of the license, but also you can downgrade your system or downgrade your license to about 5 different versions. So say for example, you are purchasing the license by the month of October 2024. Your licenses get expired by the September 2025. So there, that is a term length for 1 year. In this particular term length, Autodesk will be updating, or they will be providing a new update of 2025 version by the month of March to April. So in between that, there will be a new update of 2026, and it is easy for you to just go into your customer portal and you can find the new versions available by just single click. You can install and you can activate. So there is no hidden charges. There is no backend support or anything needed. You can directly reach out to your customer portal. You can find the update of the new version and done. You can work with the new version without any technical assistance. Next is the flexible term length. Autodesk provides you with the flexible term length of 1 year to 3 years. So whichever is being preferred for you to access, yes, it is purely based on your access, which gives you more additional advantage of accessing and to know what is your licenses are off of. Administrative tool. Regarding this particular administrative tool, we'll go in detail what are the major benefits and what are all the advantages that are available in the administrative tools, and how far you can actually access your terms of administration and much more. So regarding this, I'll be spending few seconds on the upcoming slides and also the major benefits for your slides. I'm sure it will be very much useful and more interactive for you. Now, when you purchase a license, what do you get? You have access to a new software. You'll get a major advantage of using the older versions, and you can also have the usage of using the software not only in your design in your office, but also you can access your software in your home or even in whenever you're traveling. You get more advantage of technical support, and also you get more online tools, flexible term lengths, cloud and software services, collaborative tools, user management, and global usage rights. So, what are all these? These are all the benefits of the subscription. When we speak of the benefits, starting with accessing a new software, you can access new software of the versions and enhance their ability to increase your productivity on a regular day-to-day activities. Using of your older versions, you are eligible to use your older versions of the of your software that has been subscribed. You can directly find the setup files in your customer portal. You can access them. Use of the software in your home and also in your abroad. You have the rights to access your software not only in your design system that is in your office. Apart from that, whenever you're traveling, based on the global policies, you have your own rights to access your software. Technical support, you are getting assisted with a technical support specialist across the globe. So if you're facing any issues, you can directly reach out to your to the Autodesk support team. They are here to help you on the higher priority to resolve the software. And online tools, the online tools that helps you to manage, download, and also use the permissible software versions that have been assigned to a user. Flexible terminals that gives support for accessing or the benefit of the term of the licenses starting from 1 year to 3 year. Choosing the cloud or cloud and the service software services that helps you to work with the potential to make sure your task is getting resolved by having a term of collaboration within your team that is more efficient. Next one is the collaborative tools. The collaborative tools that helps you to access your software anytime, anywhere. Most importantly, very much secure and more private. So you can share your views, you can share your updates, you can receive your updates anytime, anywhere on any devices. That makes more potential. User management, you are able to manage your teams and separate your subscription based on your needs. The last one is the global usage rights. You can assign the usage or access for your subscription to any users who are live or actively working in your organization. They'll be able to access their licenses in a single click. That is very much easy for the customer to work on the software. So these are the major benefits. Now let me just take you to the customer portal. Let me know if you are able to view my screen. I'm just sharing my screen on a live demo where I'll be taking you across the customer portal. What is customer portal? Customer portal is a term where you'll be able to manage your licenses. You'll be able to down install your new updates or the other major benefits. I'll be running through the browser application, and also I'll take you across the software PPT that gives you a clear cut idea how actually our benefits of your subscription works in. So just give me a thumbs up or just raise me your hands if you are able to view my screen. Yes. You're able to view my screen? Thank you. Thank you for your reply. So this is a customer portal of my product, which I have. So this is the same for all the admins who are all having the access of the software. You will be able to find the licenses, how fast or how much efficient you'll be able to access your licenses here. When you just enter into your customer portal, this is a home tab where it greets you with good greetings, and also it gives you a clear cut summary where it helps you to understand what is the seat usage and how much users are being assigned to, and what are all the open cases, support cases. So it is more important. It helps you to in a single visibility. It gives you an idea of your total usage of the licenses, who are all have been accessing the license, and much more. Next, you'll be able to access your account in most potential manner. That is that Autodesk assistance that helps you to give you an idea or a clarity how to usage the software, not only the software but also multiple benefits or ideas how to access your licenses. And most importantly, it is also giving you the chatbot or the Autodesk assistance that helps you to give a clarity, or if you face any issues, you can directly go to this particular Autodesk assistance tab where it categorizes some based on your needs. You can click on whichever is being required. See, I'm just selecting the post purchase support. It narrow down your clarity, or it narrow down few questions, starting with where is that you're facing issue in downloading or activating, or subscription of the management, signing in profiles. I'll just go for helping using my software. So when I just click onto that, it again clarifies what is a product that you are working with. I'll go for AutoCAD electrical. So when I just check onto that, it helps you to describe what is the exact issue you are facing in. So I'm just mentioning creating the libraries. It gives you a reply. What is that, how is that you're going to create your guidelines, or how is that you can, there are multiple suggestions that you could actually modify and look into your software. So it is a single portal that gives you a complete benefit of your software utilizations and much more. And if you feel like you still need any more assistance, you will be directly redirected to a support agent who is sitting across. So you just select on yes please. It helps you to take you to the direct support agent. So whenever your issue has been resolved, or when you feel that issue has been resolved, you can just proceed for end chat, and that's it. Your case support has been closed right now. So this is the home tab, and next comes the products and services tab. The products and services tab is a complete solution where I can find all my setups in a single window. So setup files, starting with, I have the access for my AutoCAD specialized toolset, where there are different types of setups, starting with AutoCAD mechanical, architecture, electrical, and much more. I can find all my setup files here. And most importantly, what is the platform it is going to work on. So I can find the platform of Windows, and if I feel I'll be working with only the Mac, yes, I can also find my Mac setup files too. So I can directly download them. And most importantly, what is the version I'm working here? I'm working with the version of 2025. So I prefer, I need a setup file for 2023. Yes, I can also select them and proceed on for installing or custom installing. So there are different types of setup files. And now I am working with an user language of English. It is a global language, so it is as a default. But if you feel like there are other languages you wish to work in, yes, there are multiple options for you to select what is the language preferred, and you can proceed for uh, your next set of installation. Next is the custom install option. Custom install option is like you are having multiple subscriptions. You are having multiple softwares. You don't have to install each and every software by just logging into your customer portal and installing. Instead, you have this particular package selection. So you have the libraries, and also you have what are the softwares that are available. This is a product of a small custom installer which I have created. I have created the setup file for all the 8 products, so I can also proceed for editing it. When I go for editing it, I'll be able to update or make some corrections on my installation, custom installation setup files. So my installation setup file for all the 8 softwares. Now I believe I don't want a raster design. I can just select, uncheck it, and proceed on to next. It goes to the version setup and the other features also. So there are different types of options that are available. Yes, it is very much easy for me to just select and proceed further. This is a part of products and services. Now into user management. User management is a portal where you'll be able to control the usage of the licenses. So how many users you are having. Say for example, you have purchased 5 users, it means that you have to assign the license to 5 different email IDs. So we are having one particular user here. So if you are the admin, only the admin will have the rights, or will have the visibility to view who are all the users, and assign the user to a particular assign the product to a particular user, and do more. So this invite user option will help you to import the users based on your email IDs. You can also create your reports based on this. And byproduct option that helps you to give a clarity on what are all the products that you are already having. So I am having AutoCAD specialized toolset only, so I can just proceed. It means that 0 of 1, so it means that one particular user has been assigned to this particular product. So there are again different types of user management tools. Next one is the billings and orders. In the billings and orders, we have subscription contracts where it gives me a clear cut idea what are the list of products, and what is the contract number of it, what is the team it is being utilized, what is the expiry of the licenses, what is the term of the licenses. All these will be visibly clearly visible here. It helps me to extract my report as well. I have a separate report tab where all my reports, such as the usage of the reports, what are all the activity I have done. Like I have assigned the particular to product to one particular user on what period of time, what is the type of activity I am doing it. I've created a team. So all these type of usage report will be created here. Next is the insight. Insight is a perfect tool where it gives me a uh, clear cut idea who are all have utilizing the licenses on what period of time. Usage report is the best tool I can say. Only the administrator will have the access for this particular user management and also by user option. So this will give me an overall usage on a monthly, what is the overall time limit, or how much time I've spent on it, and what are the benefits of it, on an average of monthly, on an average of daily utilized. All these will be clearly visible here. And I can also extract a complete report in terms of CSV file or clear cut data of the licenses whichever I have purchased here. So this apart from that, we are also having support and learning tab where the support cases, if there is any cases that I have created, I'll be able to know based on the support cases and also ask my assistants, which takes me directly to the chatbot onto the right side corner. Again, it is again a chatbot. It helps you to completely educate or get a clarity on what type of issue you're facing in. Most importantly, there are three different options such as forums, learning and certificate, and Autodesk University, which is a completely based on your licenses or based on your subscription. You can access them. Forum is a bigger part, or it is a place where you can interact with the brilliance or interact with a person across the globe. If you have any questions regarding AutoCAD or Autodesk products, you can go into forum. You can find millions of users accessing every day this particular forum. So you will be you can ask any questions relating to your design or relating to improve your designs. You have the facility to know what are all the updates and what are all the benefits of it. Next, the last one is the Autodesk University, where it is a specific term where the Autodesk conducts different session on it is being recorded. You can find different webinars across recorded, and you can access them without any external charges. So I'm sharing my screen again, going back to my presentation. So as I said before, the Autodesk account usage that gives you a clear-cut idea of creating how you can log in into your customer portal, how you can access your licenses using your email ID and the password. So this is how you'll be redirected the signing in page, mentioning your email, your password, and then going into your basic completion of your account. Next comes the auto account tab where you have the home tab, products and services tab, user management tab, billing and orders tab, reporting tab. In specific for the home tab, you have the summary list of open support cases, recent products that have been purchased, tips and tricks of the customer portal, and much more. In detail, this is how it actually looks like. For the products and services tab, you can find the entire set of products that have been purchased, the version based, your platform based licenses or the softwares that will give you a clear cut idea of what are the products that you have purchased in a single window. So user management tab that helps you to assign the user based on by user and also by product, create a custom installation method or creating a classic ribbon method that gives you the overall clarity where the admin will have only the rights to it, where the user will not have any usage for it. Next is the billing and orders. Billing and orders is a complete interval of licenses where all the list of purchased items in terms of usage, in terms of teams, in terms of expiry of the dates are all available here for your references. And the reporting tab is more specific for the usage of any type of issues you are facing, any types of reports you want to extract. This is a place where you can reach in. The last one is the benefits, or when you are purchasing AutoCAD specialized toolset, these are the seven softwares that you will be getting in: mechanical, architecture, electrical, MEP, Plan 3D, Map 3, and raster design. On an overall, you'll be able to get increase in the productivity to around 63%.